Hey guys, got Wilson here. We're loaded up and ready to go to the next destination. We're going to, I think it's what, Surigao City? About a 2-hour ride from where I'm at. Looking forward to it. Looks like I'm going by a lake. So yeah, so we'll just kind of turn the camera on and show you guys some cool places I see them. But I wanted to show you guys real quick the place I've been staying at the past couple of nights. Freaking dig this place. It's my first beach resort right on the beach in this trip. So really been cool. I dig this place over here. Over here on the left, you got a nice swimming pool, bunch of people swimming. There's actually no power today, so in this barangay. So yeah, everyone's taking advantage of the pool. But right out here, look at this. You've got the water, and yeah, got the ocean right here. Freaking my room was just right up there. You could actually hear the waves at night. So yeah, it was really cool, man. So really beautiful view. Dig this place. I'll put a link in Facebook as far as where this place is at in the video description, so you guys can check it out there. So all right guys, well, I'm gonna hit the road and we'll see you here real soon. Emping. Hey guys, I'm only about 30 minutes out of town, if that, and I saw this really cool scene. I thought I'd get the drone up and show you real quick so it can take off. Yeah, so I was riding along the road, man, and it just really just like, take a look at this. It just opens right up here. Man, just so breathtaking. Look at that. Man. Oh, it's just so different from anything else I've ever experienced my whole life. Just the beauty of that. It's just so green, so lush, all the palms, and then the mountains combined. It's just spectacular. Yeah. Like I said, I'm just maybe about 30 minutes out of the town. I'll put up kind of like where I'm at, but also too the town I'm in hanging in. I love these like river valleys like this. So beautiful. Oh man, I don't know about you guys, but I dig that kind of stuff. Oh, just so cool. All right, I'm gonna turn this drone off and fly around for a minute. Just check out the scene. I'll be right back. Damn. All right, everybody, I'm seeing this road starting to get curvy up ahead, so I pulled over really quick and I got the cameras rolling. And oh yeah, I can see it starting to open up here. Yeah, so I'm about an hour outside of Surigao City is where I'm at, so about an hour to go. And, oh man, look at this, look at that. I mean, come on, man, nowhere in North America do you get that, that's for sure. Oh, that's just, yeah, that's amazing. But yeah, it's been a pretty good ride all in all. You know, beautiful, beautiful route. Not as scenic as some other spots for sure, but still not bad. You know, nice curvy road, some beautiful scenes. I stopped and got the drone up earlier through that section and shot you some stuff there to show. So a lot of stuff like that, right? Just gorgeous palm scenes with mountains, you know, on my right. And then got through the lake a little bit. I couldn't really see the lake, so I didn't really vlog that part at all. But yeah, a good road, decent roads. The one thing that, I've said this before in a couple of other videos too, the one thing that honestly stands out for me in the Mindanao riding, oh my goodness, look at that. Yeah, man, yeah. Woo! Yeah, that's breathtaking. But the one thing that stands out for me are really the road conditions are just incredible. You know, not the road conditions are bad anywhere else, but you got 4 lanes here, man. In other parts of, man, just beautiful. Other parts of the Philippines that I've been in, you'll have 4 lanes, but almost always this right lane is occupied some way or another. Like it kind of is here a little bit, but not the case here. So really what that really allows you to do is you can open it up here. You can get moving. Although, you know, they're just not used to like really fast speeds, kind of. So yeah, while it does allow you to open up a little bit, I'd still be cautious. I still ride I ride like a grandpa. I'm in no hurry to get anywhere though, man. I'm just enjoying the ride. But yeah, beautiful scene through here, man. It's been a great ride. Like I say, where am I? Yeah, 59 minutes to my next stop, Surigao City. That's another thing too that I've been noticing about this trip. You know, if you guys want to do this similar kind of stuff too, for me, 2 nights has been just ideal as I get into a place. It really just kind of allows me to get settled. I've got a full day in a destination where I can chill out. Now, you might not need that much time as you're not vlogging, but for me, I find anything else, I don't feel like I don't get settled, you know what I mean? And some of that, like I said too, is because I'm, you know, trying to edit as I go and that kind of deal, but yeah, 2 nights is really nice to stay. And the last place I stayed at, right on the beach, I mean, that was incredible. Earlier in the video, I guys showed you a tour of that, so I should have more beach things coming up, but yeah, that was just spectacular being right there on the beach. But just chilling out here, a little checkpoint. So a lot of these checkpoints as you kind of go through, they don't really, they're just kind of checking stuff out, guys. I remember the first time I went through a checkpoint, especially a military one, yeah, I about shit my pants, you know, and just because it's something we're not used to in the United States, and if we are used to it, it's kind of an oh crap moment, you know, what's going on here? And you know, in my drinking days, it was like, oh crap, am I sober? Right? So, but here, you know, they're just checking stuff out, and so yeah, man, just the kind of thing on that, and you know, they're pretty much they're everywhere. You know, they're not, you know, they're a lot more abundant than in the United States. You know, just checkpoints everywhere kind of deal, right? And then mostly where you're gonna see these checkpoints though, are in and out when you're like coming into a town or leaving a town. That's typically where these kind of checkpoints are. And, you know, so out in the provinces, you know, whatever, I think they're just looking for kind of riffraff or whatever. But in the city, they're a little more, they're pulling you over and they're checking your paperwork, they're checking registration, OR and CR, all that stuff. So it's more there, it's more of a registration checkpoint where they will kind of pull you over and make you get out all your paperwork and stuff. And that's happened to me numerous times. Well, at least twice now that's happened, that type of checkpoint. But the checkpoint I just kind of went through, actually that was more of a, yeah, it was a checkpoint, but you know, you just wave you through, and that's how most of them are, in all honesty. But, all right guys, well, kind of rambled on about whatever for long enough, but I got the camera on and rolling, so I try to keep the time busy. The heck are they doing over there? Anyways, I'll shut the camera off for now, and I will pick it back up when I get scenic again, so be right back. All right, guys, I made it to Surigao City. I had gone from one coast of Mindanao all the way to the other, and I'm at the end, right? Oh, so excited. What a journey, what a trip, man. Rode the northern coast of Mindanao, man, truly spectacular, beautiful. Man, just so gorgeous. This ride today wasn't too bad, right? Admittedly, I'm a little bit spoiled now, but great route, man, really beautiful. There's some really cool scenes that opened up in there, you know, but yeah, great road, loved it. Good times. Easy ride too. So yeah, I'm here in the town about, I don't even know, about less than 10 minutes to the hotel. And so I'm gonna go get checked in, guys, and get situated, probably take a shower, and then I will show you guys. That looks like there's some kind of boardwalk area down there. So we'll end this video down there at the boardwalk area. So be right back, stay tuned. All right, guys, we're down here in Surigao, we made it. Hanging out, walking down this boardwalk area. So these are almost always great areas to kind of go to if you're new to a town and you're just kind of just wandering around, figuring out what to do. See if there's a boardwalk or like a baywalk area. People have a tendency to migrate in these areas and just kind of hang out. And that's kind of what's going on here. There's food, there's restaurants, there's whatever, music, and there's just lively, entertaining spots. And like every city that I've been in that has one. So check that out next time you're in one of these cities. So I just pulled up some information real quick on Surigao City. Surigao City is located at the northeastern tip of Mindanao in the Philippines. It's the capital city of Surigao del Norte province, known as a city of island adventures. That's pretty cool, eh? It serves as a gateway to numerous islands, including the renowned Siargao Island. So yeah, I think right behind me here is actually that. And yeah, there's a bunch of islands all throughout. So I get why it's known as the city of island adventures. That's really cool. So yeah, boasts a rich cultural heritage with historical sites such as San Nicolas Cathedral, originally built in 1754. Natural attractions include Pebble Beach, which I might go to that tomorrow and check that out. It's a unique, smooth pebble shoreline. Yeah, I might have to go check that out. The economy thrives on fishing, agriculture, and mining. And then let's see what else. What else we got? Yeah, the population I looked at, the 2020 census says it's 180,000, which I don't know. I might want to double check that stat, but because it just seems bigger than that. But yeah, so here for a couple nights, guys. Check it out. We'll do some videos around here. Good times here in Surigao City. Appreciate everyone watching, and feed the good wolf. Ampin.